Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video, where we're going to be discussing how to write the best Midjourney prompt to get the expected result when using AI-generated images or content. A Midjourney prompt is a type of text prompt that's used to guide the AI in generating images or content. By writing a well-crafted Midjourney prompt, you can increase the chances of generating an image that meets your expectations. So, let's dive into the steps you can follow to write an effective Midjourney prompt. Step 1. Define your goal. The first step in writing an effective Midjourney prompt is to define your goal. What kind of image or content are you trying to generate, and what message or theme do you want to convey? For example, if you want to generate an image of a happy family, you might write a prompt like this. Imagine a family of 4 gathered around a picnic table in a lush park, smiling and laughing. Step 2. Be specific. In this step, it's important to be specific and concise about the details you want to include in the generated image or content. This can include objects, colors, emotions, and other elements. For example, if you want the image to show a happy family gathered around a picnic table, you might include specific details such as the colors of their clothing, the type of food they're eating, and the expressions on their faces. Step 3. Use vivid language. The next step is to use vivid and descriptive language to create a memorable scene in the mind of the reader or viewer. Use imaginative and expressive language to help convey your message and set the tone for the generated image or content. For example, if you want to create a scene of a warm summer day, you might use language like the sun is shining bright, casting warm golden light on the picnic table. A light breeze is blowing, rustling the leaves of the trees above. Step 4. Provide context. In this step, it's important to provide some context or background information that helps the AI understand the scene you want to create. For example, if you want to create a scene of a family picnic, you might include information about the location, time of day, weather, and other relevant details that help set the scene. Step 5. Review and edit. Finally, once you've written your Midjourney prompt, it's important to review and edit it carefully. Read it over and make any necessary edits to improve its clarity. Eliminate any ambiguity and ensure that it accurately conveys the message you want to convey. In conclusion, by following these 5 steps, you can write an effective Midjourney prompt that increases the chances of generating an image that meets your expectations. Remember, the AI may not always generate an image exactly as you describe it, but by providing specific and vivid details in your Midjourney prompt, you can increase the chances of getting the result you want. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.